The journey towards healing and protection is one that we all must undertake at some point in our lives. However, it can often feel like a daunting task, especially when we're not sure where to start. Thankfully, there are simple yet powerful prayers that can guide us towards the healing and protection that we seek. In this video, we will be sharing with you 10 essential prayers to let go of toxicity and shield yourself from harm. These prayers are not just words to recite, but a connection to a higher power that can bring about profound healing and transformation in your life. So let us begin. Number 1, let go of toxicity. We acknowledge that sometimes we may hold on to grudges, resentments, and toxic emotions that only cause us pain and suffering. Therefore, we ask the divine to help us release these negative feelings so that we can move forward in our lives with peace and tranquility. By letting go of toxicity, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities and blessings. Number 2, protect me from harm. There are times when we may face challenges and adversities that can cause us fear and uncertainty. Thus, we seek refuge in the divine, asking for protection and guidance during difficult times. By doing so, we strengthen our resolve and faith, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles. Number 3, guide my steps. When life's path seems unclear or confusing, we may turn to the divine for guidance and direction. Through prayer, we ask for clarity and wisdom to make the right decisions and choices that align with our values and goals. By seeking divine guidance, we gain a sense of purpose and direction, leading us towards a fulfilling life. Number 4, heal my broken relationships. Relationships are an essential part of our lives, but sometimes they may become strained or broken due to misunderstandings, conflicts, or betrayals. We pray for the restoration of broken relationships, seeking forgiveness, understanding, and reconciliation. By praying for healing in our relationships, we open the door to love, compassion, and unity. Number 5, strengthen my faith. There are moments when our faith may waver or be tested due to life's challenges and uncertainties. In those times, we turn to the divine, asking for the strength and courage to maintain our belief and trust. By strengthening our faith, we find solace, hope, and resilience in the face of adversity. Number 6, deliver me from evil. Sometimes we may find ourselves entangled in situations or circumstances that seem beyond our control, causing fear, anxiety, or despair. We call upon the divine for deliverance, seeking freedom and liberation from these negative influences. By seeking divine deliverance, we empower ourselves to break free from the chains that hold us back and embrace a life of hope and redemption. Number 7, grant me patience. Life may sometimes test our patience and understanding, leaving us feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or stressed. In such moments, we humbly request the divine to grant us patience, understanding, and calmness. By seeking divine patience, we cultivate inner peace, resilience, and the ability to navigate challenges with grace. Number 8, give me hope. When the road ahead seems dark and full of despair, we may turn to the divine for a glimmer of hope and encouragement. Through prayer, we ask for the strength and optimism to keep going, believing that better days are ahead. By seeking divine hope, we find the courage and determination to overcome obstacles and persevere through difficult times. Number 9, help those who are suffering. As compassionate beings, we may feel moved to help and support those who are suffering or in need. We pray for the divine to guide and assist us in offering comfort, kindness, and aid to those who are going through tough times. By extending a helping hand to others, we not only ease their pain, but also enrich our own lives with meaning and purpose. Number 10, thank you for your blessings. Amidst the challenges and struggles of life, it's essential to take a moment to appreciate the blessings we receive each day. We express gratitude to the divine for the gift of life, the beauty that surrounds us, and the people who bring joy and support into our lives. By practicing thankfulness, we cultivate a positive mindset, attract more blessings, and foster a deep sense of contentment. As we come to the end of this video, we encourage you to embrace the power of prayer in your life. These 10 essential prayers serve as a guide to help you heal, find strength, and navigate the complexities of life. Remember that prayer is a conversation with the divine, and through it, you can find solace, wisdom, and unwavering support. As you continue your journey, Keep these prayers close to your heart and trust in the transformative power of faith and spirituality. May your path be filled with healing, light, and endless possibilities. Until next time, may peace and blessings be with you always. In conclusion, the practice of prayer is a powerful tool that can bring healing and protection into our lives. By incorporating these 10 essential prayers into your daily routine, you can cultivate inner peace, strength, and resilience. Remember that prayer is a conversation with the divine, and through it, you can seek guidance, comfort, and unwavering support. Whether you're facing challenges, seeking healing, or simply looking for direction, these prayers can serve as a source of light and hope. Embrace the power of prayer, trust in the divine, and believe that you are always connected to a higher power that loves and cares for you. So go forth with faith, knowing that you are divinely protected and guided on your journey through life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your engagement helps us continue to spread messages of faith, healing, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you on your path to wellness and spiritual growth.